Hey guys, let's see how to connect this Happrun H1 projector to a Bluetooth speaker. I have the projector working already. You see here that I'm projecting an image to the screen and it's connected here to my laptop, right, via HDMI cable. And here I have a Bluetooth speaker. So what I have to do is just to use the remote control from the projector, and then I just come here and I select the Bluetooth device that I want to connect to. So right now it's connected to a Samsung refrigerator via Bluetooth. I don't want that, I just want to connect to the Bluetooth speaker. So I come here to this main menu and I come to settings, and here on the top you see that I have different tabs. I'm gonna come to the last one here. There we go. And then I come down here and I see Bluetooth on. I just press the OK key here and I see the device is available. Okay, it's connected to the refrigerator. You see here there's a symbol that represents the connection. Okay, so what I have to do is just click here on connected to change this to search. There we go. Now I can hit search. It's searching right now. Then I come here to my Bluetooth speaker to turn it on. Just press the button, turn it on, and I need to put this device in a discovery mode. Okay, so right now it's already that way and I just need to wait for it to find it. Then I can add this new Bluetooth speaker. So right now I just click here again on search because I just turned the speaker on, and it's going to look for all the devices available via Bluetooth. There we go. It found here my KM10, that's my projector. I just need to select this one and hit enter or OK here. It's connected now. You see here by this symbol that shows that it's connected to the projector now. And then I can come here to my computer. Let me just come back here to home and to HDMI back there. And then I can show the image from my computer and I can play something. Let me just play this music. I can control the volume from here. Now it's playing here on this speaker. Okay, so super simple. That's the way you can have your Happrun H1 projector connected to a Bluetooth speaker. Hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.